Hey, thank you for tuning into Hot Off the Wheels. Jesse here with another diecast video. We're just going to crack right into this case. Super excited to show you this set, guys. Hopefully you're able to find these soon. I don't know if they're dropping in stores yet. I know they're not near me, but possibly they are either in your side of the States or North America or whatever country you may be in. Honestly, don't know what to expect here. I do know more or less what they are. However, I haven't really done a lot of research on them or seen them up close and personal yet. I'm definitely excited to show this to you. There you are. Where to get the clear of that. So there you have it. There's your case. It is a 24-piece assortment of Hot Wheels. So there you are. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Like I said, I want to try to keep the video short. I'm going to try to get it up tonight, which tonight is Monday night. However, if I don't, you'll know I wasn't able to get around to it, but definitely excited. All right, let's tip it over, see what we're working with here. Check out all that orange. Looks pretty beautiful, if I have to say. Before we get to, well, let's go ahead and crack one open. I'm just going to show you real quick. So you've got the custom Cadillac Fleetwood, and as you'll notice, the number on the side on the door there is 53. So this is the 53rd anniversary of the Hot Wheels, and then so each year they come out with a set. So I'll start off with the beginning. You've got the black and I believe it's black and gold, and this is the 50th anniversary for 2018. And there's your entire set on the back if you're interested in trying to obtain it, or you just want to know what was in that set. And there's your Ranchero from that set. I've got the entire set somewhere. Let me know if you want to see that. And that's the black and gold, I believe. And then the satin and chrome, I believe it was. Right here is the right here, the Plymouth Superbird, and that had quite a few nice ones in here. Like we got the 510 wagon, Firebird, little Chevy 2. So a lot of nice ones right here. And that was the satin and chrome, I believe they called that. And then the satin and pearl is the 52nd set right here with the Chevy Bel Air gasser. And that set had these right here. You got a little tow truck and a little Volkswagen T2, a little 32 Ford. And I've got all of these sets, so if you ever want to see them, definitely drop me a comment. Definitely might have to post that up. But let's get on with the, I believe it's the orange and blue, or blue and orange, whatever you want to prefer it as. To me, it's more, you got orange and blue, but I think a lot of people are calling them blue and orange. Doesn't really matter to me. Whatever works for you. So let's keep on trucking with the cars there. Another one right there. So you've got so far 2 of those. Check out the custom, or not the custom, but the Chevy Chevelle SS. Little 64 Chevy. Pretty sweet right here. And there's your UPC on the back. I don't know if that helps you or not. Definitely excited about these. The custom 62 Chevy pickup. Definitely digging that a lot. Check that out. Another Nova right here. Not Nova, but Chevelle. My bad. Let's see. You've got 3 more of the Chevelles. So that makes 5 total. So they gave us 5 in this set. So there's your Chevelle, and that's the number 1 for the set of 5. Looks like we got 3 twin mills right here in a row. And like I said, they're all going to have the number 53 on them for the 53rd anniversary of Hot Wheels. So each year, I guess they'll come out with this set. Now, I believe, you definitely let me know if I'm mistaken, I don't believe this set has the chase. So all the ones prior, these 3 sets right here had a chase piece in it, or at least I know these 2 did. I'm not sure about the black and chrome, or the black and gold, I mean. I believe it may have had a chase as well. I'll have to do a double check on that, but definitely I know these 2 had a chase piece. So I don't think this set right here, the orange and blue, or blue and orange, whatever you want to call it, has the chase, unfortunately. Which is kind of, strange that they all of a sudden would, you know, not put a chase in there. But it may just be too early. Nobody really knows. But a lot of sites have said, I think, that they're not having the chase so far. And so it looks like we've got 5 of those as well. And this is the kind of like Fleetwood and number 5. So you've got 5 of those. And let me get that out of the way. Up next is the Custom 56 Ford truck. Check it out. Which one do you like so far? You like the truck? I mean the Chevy or the Ford? Chevy or Ford? I don't know. For me, I like both of them, but I probably have to go with the Chevy on this one. But both of them are really, really nice in their own way. And we got 2 more twin mills. So I believe that makes a total of 5 twin mills. Wish they would have gave an extra one of the trucks, or you know, yeah, probably one of the trucks instead of 5 of the twin mills or the Fleetwoods. I think I would have definitely preferred a truck, but definitely excited about this set regardless. I think it's pretty sweet. So we'll have to see, you know, how that goes with when they start releasing, if there's a chase piece or not. Like I said, it's what I've read or what I've heard at least, that there's not a chase, but we'll have to confirm that, I guess. All right, there you've got it. You've got the 64 Chevelle SS. You've got the Custom 56 Ford truck, the 62 Chevy pickup, the twin mill, and the custom Cadillac Fleetwood. So there's your blue and orange, or if you prefer orange and blue, whatever you want to call it. There's your 5 car set. No chase piece to my knowledge this year, but if you want to see any of the past years, definitely let me know. Hope you're able to find these in stores soon if you're looking. Until next time, guys, I will see you on the next peg hunt or diecast video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in.